welcome to Mrs. Lin's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Chinese turnip cake or Lo Bak Gou in Cantonese. It is often served in the dim sum restaurant. Lo Bak Gou also carries the symbol of prosperity and rising fortune. So it is often eaten for Chinese New Year. Since the list of ingredients are simple and quite easy to make, people eat it all year round anyway. Lo Bak means turnip and Gou means cakes. So obviously the major ingredient is the turnip. Other ingredients are also added to zest up the flavor. Today I'm going to show you my version of Chinese turnip cake. So let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. Make sure you use rice flour, not glutinous rice flour for this recipe. You can leave out the shrimp and Chinese sausage to make this cake vegetarian. To pick a fresh turnip, make sure the turnip has a smooth surface with no dark spots or bruises. If the turnip feels firm, the inside is crunchy. If the turnip is heavy, it's juicy. If there are leaves attached to the turnip, make sure they're green and firm, not wilted. Wilted leaves indicate that the turnip has already passed its prime. I use the Taiwanese sausage because it's softer, but you can use any Chinese sausage sold at the Asian supermarket. First, soak the dry shitake mushroom in 2 3/4 cups of water for 1 to 2 hours and soak the dry shrimp in 1/4 cup of water for 30 minutes. When the time is up, squeeze water out of the mushroom and shrimp. Remember to save both of the juice for later use. Finally, mince the shitake mushroom and the dry shrimp. Chop the ingredients as finely as you can to get a smoother texture for the cake. If the ingredients are too big, the overall texture will not be as desirable. Next, thinly slice the shallot. You'll need to measure 1 cup of shallot. To prepare the turnip, rinse off the surface and peel the skin with a vegetable peeler. Using a vegetable grater or mandolin shredder, thinly shred the turnip. If you want more texture coming from the turnip, grate it more coarsely. In this video, I used 2 different shredding blades to create both coarsely and finely grated daikon for my cake. Next, finely chop the Chinese sausage. Sauté the shallot with 2 tablespoons of oil. Continuously stir the shallot in the pan to make sure it turns brown and crispy but not burnt. When the shallot is fragrant, take it out. In the same pan, pour in the mushroom and sauté on medium-high heat until fragrant. Then add the shrimp. Next, add the sausage and give them some good stirs. Add soy sauce, sugar, salt, white pepper into the mixture and stir them well. Pour in shredded turnip and fried shallot with 1 cup of liquid from soaking the mushroom. Mix everything well together. Cook the turnip mixture at medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Remember to stir the radish occasionally so the turnip doesn't get burnt. Cook until it becomes soft and transparent. The daikon will also produce liquid. While the radish is cooking, let's make the flour batter. In a large bowl, mix half pound of rice flour with 1/4 cup of cornstarch and add 1 3/4 cup of water. You can use the liquid from soaking dry mushroom and dry shrimp instead. Combine the mixture until there is no lump. Oil the foil tins. When the turnip is cooked, turn off the heat and pour in the rice flour mixture. Start mixing everything together. Next, transfer this mixture to the foil tins. Remember to flatten the surface of the cake. Prepare your steamer and steam the turnip cake for 45 minutes to an hour. Check the steamer occasionally to make sure it has enough water. Replenish with hot water as needed. After 45 minutes, use a bamboo stick to check for doneness. If nothing sticks onto the stick, the turnip cake is ready. Let the cake cool down for several hours or preferably overnight before serving. The cake can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. After this cake is cooled off, you can eat it as is by cutting it into 3/4 inch thick. I prefer frying it to give it a crispy surface. If you cut the cake too thin, it will break apart when frying. Oil your pan and fry the cake on both sides until golden and crispy. So here is a Lo Bak Gou or Chinese turnip cake. It tastes good during any time of the day as snack or a main meal. I like to eat it as brunch during the weekend and accompany with some hot tea. Lo Bak Gou always tastes good with soy sauce, or you can customize your sauce by mixing sriracha, soy sauce, black rice vinegar, hot chili oil, or sesame oil. All the tools and tableware that I use in these videos are available in our website, MrsLinsKitchen.com, if you're interested. I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make Lo Bak Gou or Chinese turnip cake today. If you like what I'm showing you today, please don't forget to click the like button down below and leave us some comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And happy eating!